Hello students, I hope you are doing well in your studies. So today we are going to discuss one word problem from exercise 1.2 from the same chapter, that is first one, knowing our numbers. Let us discuss what is given in this word problem. A student multiplied 7236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. क्या कह रहा है क्वेश्चन? A student has multiplied 7236 by 65 but उसे किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना था? 7236 को 56 से मल्टीप्लाई करना था, बट उस बच्चे ने क्या किया? 7236 को 65 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. नाउ व्हाट वी नीड टू फाइंड इज बाय हाउ मच वॉज हिज आंसर ग्रेटर देन द करेक्ट आंसर. व्हाट वी नीड टू फाइंड इज करेक्ट आंसर हमें कितने से ज़्यादा मिलेगा. सो hint is already given in the question itself. Let us read that. Do you need to do both the multiplications? क्या हमें दो बार 7236 को मल्टीप्लाई करने की ज़रूरत है? Let us take one example to understand this situation. Suppose I have to multiply 10 by 5, but instead of multiplying 10 by 5, I have multiplied 10 by 7. क्या किया मैंने? 10 को 2 टाइम्स ज़्यादा मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. अभी करेक्ट आंसर क्या मिलता मुझे अगर मैं 10 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करती, बट नाउ आई हैव मल्टीप्लाइड 2 टाइम्स मोर. सो व्हाट आई नीड टू फाइंड इज बाय हाउ मच माय आंसर विल बी ग्रेटर दैन द करेक्ट आंसर. सो लेट अस फाइंड दैट. व्हाट आई विल डू इज आई विल मल्टीप्लाई 10 by 2. नाउ फ्रॉम वेयर दिस 2 केम? 2 is nothing but the difference of 7 and 5. So on multiplying 2 and 10, I will get 20. That is, by 20, my answer will be greater than the correct one. So if you have understood this problem very well, you must be easily dealing with the given problem. So what you need to do is, you just need to find the difference between 65 and 56, and then you need to multiply that difference with 7236. So let us first find the difference between 65 and 56. How will you find that? You will subtract 56 from 65. So on subtracting, what you will get? You will get 9 on subtracting 56 from 65. Now we need to find is correct answer increased by what figure, what number? So let us find that. We need to multiply 7236 by 9. For your ease, let us multiply the two numbers vertically. So 7236 multiplied by 9. 9 6 are 54, so 4 will be here, 5 will be carried to the tens place. 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 5, 32, so 2 will be here, 3 will be carried over to the hundreds place. 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 3, 21, so 1 will be here, 2 will be carried to the thousands place. 9 7s are 63, 63 plus 2 will be equal to 65. So the answer was greater by 65,124 by the correct answer. So I hope you are very clear with the word problem. So let us meet in the next video to solve more fantastic questions. Till then, keep studying.